Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Where have you been all my life? Just kidding. I'm sorry, I totally dropped the ball and did not get a video done for the first week for Product Focus Friday this month. So I promise there will be one later this weekend to make that up to you. But I wanted to remind you on this video, since this is technically the first one I'm filming then, that we are doing fancy pants this month. So I went and grabbed all my fancy pants that I had, including a new kit, and well, technically two new kits, one new to me, one new collection, and a couple old ones, and one of my favorites that they ever put out. So I've got that all here, and we're playing with embellishments this month for Friday. So this week is washi tape. So today we'll be playing with washi tape. For the the one that I forgot about was flare. So I will have that later this week with flare. And then next week's, I'm super excited. I already have plans for it. Is going to be a Confessions of a Paper Addict Cup Files design team layout as well. And I already know I'm going to use this collection. So I've dipped into this apparently. I don't remember doing that, but it's probably a page that who knows. Yeah. But this is, so I'm going to go through these really quick with you. And then I'll probably cut out a lot of the presses just so this video isn't super, super long. But I won't cut out so much that you're it's not just going to be a layout share. So I promise you will get some layout. Ish. So this is from 2011, this fancy pants. This was a scrap room kit. It came with some twine, a little chipboard sheet. I love those chipboard banners. And it is Summer's End. But the colors in this, oh, I think I know what layout I did. I think I know what layout I did. And this was back when sometimes I don't think they did just pattern paper. Or maybe they did just do pattern paper. But this font, the colors are so fun. Good, rich tones. I just like it. Super fun. And then it came with blue cardstock. So clearly I've used it. I don't know if there were any other embellishments that I've used. I should try and find, maybe I'll try and find that other layout I used on this. But yeah, this is Summer's End by Fancy Pants from 2011. So we've got this one. This one we will see next week. I'm definitely playing with this one next week. So this one is one of my absolute favorites. I got the collection kit, Peachy Keen. What year did this? Did come out in 2020. I was like, when was this? I love this one. I've gotten a little bit of it, I think, here and there, and I got the collection, so I got a little extra in the collection. Oh, and I think I just got, hold on, brush. Well, I know I got some, so when I find them, I will, bring them out. But I have enamel dots, a bunch of ephemera. I love this collection, and a bunch of the papers. And these papers are just so pretty. Anywho, love this collection. Peachy Keen we can play with. We've got this older one, 2014, called Flutter. That I don't think I've touched. I got, looks like a bunch of kind of ephemera pieces, some of them gold. Ooh, this paper's very thin. It's very like natural paper feeling. And then 2 pieces of dark blue. 1 piece. I might have stolen it. Sometimes I would go into these kits and steal the cardstock. If I needed it for something, because there's always great coordinating cardstock in these. So yeah, it looks like I probably stole. Yeah, I love how they always had pattern and then it was like a semi-solid. Kind of like Felicity Jane would always have those solids in their collections. So sad that they're done. And then this new collection, Bloom and Grow. Well, new technically last year, 2021. But it was a scrap room kit I got this year. I love this collection. So this is a scrap room kit. Do you know what? This could totally be Halloween colors. Yeah. I don't think I'm going to do that, but it could totally be Halloween. Like this, especially. How fun would that be? Not the birdhouses. Actually, that'd be really cute. But there's a lot of good garden things. I might have the perfect picture of my niece for this. Maybe we'll do that. And then I got this in a blind bag, which I'm super excited about because this is a collection I wanted to get my hands on, but I never did. I'm not going to open it right now. But it's the My Type. I think it was it Valentine's Day-ish that they, yeah. But I was like, this is totally can be used for anything. Yeah, 2 of each 6 designs, double-sided. You get enamel dots, the ephemera set, and, yeah, cardstock papers. Love it. So that's what we have to play with. So I'm going to go dig out my photos. And if it is, let's see, and the sketch today, it's this awesome sketch by Allison Krogsgard. I always want to say Krogsgard. It's all these circles and stitching. Allison, I love it. I would love to do this. I don't have time to do this. But I do enjoy it. So we are, yes, and it's a single photo. So I gotta find a good photo I can trim down into a circle. That's what I gotta find. Trying to decide if I want to do this or if I want to do this collection. And fussy cut out a bunch of these butterflies. Because that seems like something I could do. I gotta think on that. I'll be right back. Okay, I changed my mind about a million times. I grabbed this photo of my niece, though. Just getting messy with, I think it was a chocolate chip cookie, because her dad makes the best chocolate chip cookies. So I cut it into a 4-inch circle. We're going to use that old Flutter collection. Yeah. And I was sitting here toying with the idea of trying to figure out, like, what I wanted to do, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to put it on a dark blue background, but I think I'm going to splatter this with gold and white, and maybe pink to lighten up just this section of where the circles are going to go. And so mine are going to be a little bit different. The sketch is going to be shifted a little bit. Obviously, my photo's a little bit bigger, I'm pretty sure. But my foot will be on this side instead of that side, so it'll just be 1 circle here and then 2 more there. And then we're going to tuck in butterflies and other things. It's going to look super cute, I think. So I started, by cutting my photo, and then I wanted to back it on this color. I really liked this color. But I'm going to cut out a couple circles. But since we're supposed to use washi tape, I have this giant washi tape from 49th and Market. This is from the Essentials. And so I was thinking about putting the washi tape on this pink paper. Hear me out. And then cutting it out in circles. I might not do all of it, but I definitely want to do a chunk of it. So I have to decide what part of the washi tape I want. So I'm going to kind of look at it. Well, and this is on a backing. I mean, I technically could cut it out first, but I might as well put it on the paper I want, because this will be 4.5 inch. Yeah. Put this washi like on top of this and then cut it out. So then we could have a couple solids with this pattern on it, and then I think, oh, I don't know if this will show through. It does kind of. Versus being just white. I guess it's okay if it doesn't go on here straight. I just would be wasting paper. Oh, I love that. All right, I'm gonna apply the other one and cut them out in circles, and I'll be back. Okay, I have gone ahead and splattered my cardstock. I used some Dina Wakley white acrylic gloss spray, some Dina glossy acrylic gilt is my gold. It's the perfect like yellowy gold that matches the gold that's in all the little embellishments I got with this collection. And I did a rose. Is it called a rose by any other name? Yeah, Rose by Any Other Name Inklings from Shimmers when they have to activate, so currently letting it dry. And then I wanted to do a blue, but I didn't have a very pale blue. But when I looked at my swatches, my Witch's Blue Creamies from Shimmers had more of a lighter blue finish. And so what's fun is you can see this one is wet. I don't know if you can see that actually. There's some darker blue spots that are wet, but as they dry, because they have that shimmer mixed in, they actually lighten up, which is super exciting because as I was sitting here, they're drying and you can see them better than when you could before. So now I have the interest I wanted in my background. This is going to go up a little later today, or later in the day, because I have no light to take my pictures in. I kind of disassembled my light box because I wasn't enjoying. I started taking pictures earlier this year outside to get some more natural light when I take the photos of my layouts, and I like that so much better. So I don't really want to dig out my light box. I guess if I really, really have to. It won't be the greatest photos, but yeah, I'm really liking the way this looks. But speaking of the way that things look, wait till you see what the circles look like with that washi over it. Ready? Look at that. That looks freaking awesome. So I just took that 49th and Market washi and put it over the pink cardstock that I have. And then, where's the blue? It's stuck. The blue. And look at those. I love the way that looks. So those are going to be the circles. So we're going to let this dry and then we'll assemble. But let me show you. This is going to be kind of the ordeal here. I don't know. Oh. Maybe these do have breaks around them. Hold on, because that just clean. Oh, they do have lines around them. Even better. Oh, does that mean all the butterflies and stuff do too? Okay. There's my title on my picture. Okay, I feel even better about that now. I didn't need to cut those out. Well, that's dumb. All right, we're gonna let the background dry. So then I also have, yep, a bunch of these stickers, which now I realize I didn't need to cut out, that I might tuck in as well. I don't know if they'll show up on the dark cardstock. They might a little bit. And then I fussy cut a few of the butterflies out of the pattern paper. Plus we have all these amazing embellishments over here that we can tuck in and place around. So I'm really excited to play with that as soon as that dries. So we'll let that dry and I'll check back in and we'll start assembling the paper. All right, I am loving the way this is looking so far. So I've glued all this down. I popped my photo up. Best ever smile is what we're putting on. I want to put these circles down. Got my handy tweezers out because we will be using those for show. Mine is more of a subtle title. I actually might even do Beautiful You here. Like that. And then instead of clouds, we have the butterflies. X's and these butterflies. This is kind of like a sticker. Let's see. Ooh, what are these words? I didn't actually look at this. Just says fly, and this is a hashtag, so we're not going to use that. We'll probably use more of these gold circles. This light pink circle. I don't think I'll use that. Put that gold one there. This big one here. This one here, that gold one there. I don't think I need to use any of these stickers. Guys, I might be done already. Just sprinkling some things around might have been all I needed to do. All right. I don't know about you guys, but I think this looks good. So there you have it. There is my layout. I'm gonna get everything glued down. You'll see some lovely close-ups, and that'll be that. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all always, and we'll see you next time for another video. Bye.